Okie dokie, here we go. Scratch that itch, scratch that itch. New kind of poly bag, which is really cool, like paper. This is the LEGO DREAMZzz 30698 Cooper's Flying Controller Mini Build. 53 pieces, wow. So yeah, this is all about the series they do, the Dream series, and that is the remote, the game controller that he obviously uses. Never watched it, so don't know. This is quite cool. This was very cheap, so definitely a good price. Can't find it on the US site, which is really strange. But all I can find is the instructions. I can't find the actual set itself, which is interesting. Unless I can go buy. Bear with me. What am I going to do? I'm going to do. Has it got poly bags powered up? Nope. Interesting. Okay. And LEGO DREAMZzz. Let's have a look. And then go price low. I wonder if this is not out in the US yet, because it certainly doesn't seem to show on this website. Interesting. Okay, very cool. Anyway, all right, so it doesn't look like it's there, although the instructions are there. So I'm going to undo this. This is going to be a very small build. I have got the bigger version of this, which I will build later, but I thought I'd do the poly bag for the itch that scratch that itch series. Okay. Like, subscribe, be back shortly, comment at the end of the video. I'll see you in a bit.
A few moments later.
Right, well that's finished, and the mystery goes on. I searched America, I searched everywhere to try and find this set. Even searched the Turkish website, Lego Turkey, and it doesn't come up, which is really weird. But it's a rather cool little build. Really awesome little remote control, which is kind of cute. Your buttons, and it's like it's kind of jets on the back. I don't know, I've not watched the series obviously, but I thought it was kind of cool that it was just a little controller. You get a little spider creature with it as well. Someone's going to tell me in the comments about this. If they see Dreams, they watch Dreams, whatever, or they're a Dreams fan. But that's the spider. And then you actually get a minifig, which is really cool print. The torso and the legs are kind of different. And on the back it says built. I don't know what that's about again, but I mean the printing on this is really cool. His head has got two faces. One is with like goggles on, and the other one is just a very angry face, angry little man. That was a shout out to Ruby when we play Lego Fortnite, and she calls the people in the game angry little men. So he looked like an angry little man as well. So that's kind of cool. He doesn't, I mean, I don't know, maybe he does like that. Who knows? But you can't stand him. So, but I thought that was kind of cool little set. And that's, I think from my looking at stuff, it's about $5 for this. So if you find it and you want a controller, and you can take these little bits off on the bottom, if I can get them off. If you don't want those bits on the bottom, and then you could make a little stand up for it, which would be quite easy to do. If I can get this back in again, which is supposed to be easy. Oh, there we go. Take that off and put that back in the bottom, and then you've got two studs which you can attach to a plate or something. So kind of like this. He's hoping it will work. Interesting. It does. Okay. There we go. So you could get a plate and display him on, which is what I'm going to do right now. He's going to go over there because I like it. Don't know about the spider so much, but there you go, all done. Like, subscribe, comment, please comment. Can you get this where you are? I searched the Lego site, all I could find were instructions. I couldn't find this actual set for sale, which is very unusual. Maybe Turkey wasn't supposed to be selling it, who knows? But anyway, I got it, and I don't care. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.